வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சியில் குரூப் 1ல் முந்தைய ஆண்டுகளில் கேட்கப்பட்ட கேள்விகளை பற்றி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். அந்த வரிசையில் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, 2015ஆம் ஆண்டில் சயின்ஸ் அறிவியலில் கேட்கப்பட்ட கேள்விகள் மொத்தம் 24 கேள்விகள் இருக்குது. நம்ம ஒரே எபிசோடில் பார்த்துருவோம். முதல் கேள்வி, இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், மேட்ச் தி ஃபாலோயிங். A. Krebs cycle occurs in cytoplasm. B. Ubiquinone diffuse from cytoplasm to mitochondria. Glycolysis, mobile carrier. D. Acetyl coenzyme occurs in mitochondrial matrix. So the choice, the correct choice 4312, 3142, 1423, 4132. The correct answer is choice A, 4312. Krebs cycle occurs in mitochondrial matrix. Ubiquinone, mobile carrier. Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. And acetyl coenzyme diffuse from cytoplasm to mitochondria. Say, the second question. The purines present in nucleic acid are 1. Adenine and cysteine. 2. Guanine and thymine. 3. Adenine and guanine. 4. Cytosine and uracil. The choices are A. 4, B. 3, C. 2, D. 1. The correct answer is B. 3, that is adenine and guanine. Third question, find out the correct match or matches. 1. Enzymes, biological catalyst, DNA, nucleic acid, insulin, hormone, vitamin E, water soluble vitamin. Choices are A. 2 only, B. 1 only, C. 1, 2 and 4, D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is A. 2 only, DNA, nucleic acid. Fourth question, the number of generalized coordinates required to describe the position of a simple pendulum is A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is B2. Question number 5. If G is the acceleration due to gravity, the R is the radius of the earth, then the escape velocity is given in the relation A. V equal to root of 2G. B. V equal to root square of G. C. V equal to 2RG. D. V equal to 2R by G. So the answer is VE equal to 2RG. C. Question number 6. The relation connecting Young's module E, bulk modulus K and rigidity modulus N is A. 9 by E equal to 3 by N plus 1 by K. B. 9 by N equal to 3 by E plus 1 by K. C. 9 by N equal to 1 by E plus 3 by K. D. 9 by E equal to 1 by N equal to 3 by K. The correct answer is A. 9 by E equal to 3 by N plus 1 by K. Seventh question. The SI unit of gravitational constant G is N kg power minus 2, B. Nm kg to power minus 1, C. Nm square kg to the power minus 1, Nm square kg to the power minus 2. The correct answer is D. Nm kg to the power minus 2. Eighth question. Choose the correct answer. The Itai disease of Japan was caused due to A. Arsenic pollution. 2. Cyanide pollution. 3. Cadmium pollution. 4. Lead pollution. The choices are A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, 3 only, D. 4 only. The correct choice is C. 3 only, that is cadmium pollution. Question number 9. Match the following. Sericulture, farming aquatic organisms. Horticulture, culture of honeybees. Aquaculture, rearing of silkworms. Apiculture, cultivation of maintaining gardens. So the correct choice is A. 3, 4, 1, 2. Sericulture is rearing of silkworms. Horticulture, cultivation, maintaining gardens. Aquaculture, farming aquatic organisms. Apiculture, culture of honeybees. 10th question. The plant type which colors the ocean surface water red is A. Dinoflagellates, B. Golden algae, C. Green algae, D. Red algae. The correct answer is A. Dinoflagellates. 11th question. Which of the following is or wrong? 1. Mg2C3 on hydrolysis gives acetylene. B2C on hydrolysis gives methane. Al4C3 on hydrolysis gives aniline. The choices are A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 3, D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct choice is C. 1 and 3. 12th question. For the Daniell cell, e to the power 0 equal to 1.10 V. The value of equilibrium constant K for the reaction at 298 Kelvin is Z bracket S plus Cu2 plus Aq hyphen Zn2 plus Aq plus Cu bracket S. So the choices are A. 4.36 into 10 to the power 39, B. 2.79 into 10 to the power 41, C. 6.53 into 10 to the power 35, D. 1.55 into 10 to the power 37. The correct answer is D. 1.55 into 10 to the power 37. 13th question. Identify the numbered substance in steps of glycolysis. Glucose, fructose, 1,6 phosphate. So the choice are A. One is pyruvate, B. citrate. One is glucose 6 phosphate, 2 is pyruvate. C. One is glucose 6 phosphate, 2 is fructose 6 phosphate. D. One is phosphoglycerate, 2 is glyceric acid. The correct answer is C. One is glucose 6 phosphate, 2 is fructose 6 phosphate. 14th question. Consider the following pairs. Thallophyta, algae and fungi. Tracheophyta, all vascular plants. Bryophyta, liverworts and fungi. Pteridophyta, mosses and mushrooms. Which of the pair given above is are correct? The choices A. 3 and 4, B. 1 and 2, C. 1 and 4, D. 2 and 3. The correct answer is B. 1 and 2. 15th question. Which of the following statements about glycolysis is or true? 1. Glycolysis known as pentose phosphate pathway. 2. The substrate of glycolysis is glucose. 3. The final product of glycolysis is glycogen. 4. Glycolysis is known as oxalate cycle. The answers are A. 1 and 3, B. 2 only, C. 3 and 4, D. 4 and 2. The correct answer is 2 only, that's B. Question number 16. Arrange the following common units of classification in ascending order. Family, order, species, variety and genus. So it's like you can see that the correct answer is like D. 4, 3, 5, 1, 2. So 4 is first, it's variety, then species, then genus, then family, finally the order. 17th question. The rest mass of photon is A. 0, B. Infinity, C. Dependent on wavelength, D. Dependent on its velocity. The correct answer is 0. Question number 18. Which of the following sets have different dimensions? A. Pressure, Young's modulus, stress. B. EMF, potential difference, electrical electric potential. C. Heat, work done, energy. D. Dipole moment, electric flux, electric field. The correct answer is D. Dipole moment, electric flux, electric field. Question number 19. New elements and rare earth are discovered and fixed in the periodic table using A. Bragg's law, B. Moseley's law, C. Compton's effect, D. Brevis lattices. The correct answer is B. Moseley's law. Question number 20. If a colorblind woman marries a normal visioned man, they will produce A. Normal vision sons and daughters, B. Color-blind sons and normal vision daughters, C. Normal sons and color-blind daughters, D. Color-blind sons and daughters. The correct choice is color-blind sons and normal vision daughters, B. Question number 21. Cretinism, exoedema and goiter are related to the disorders of A. Parathyroid gland, B. Thyroid gland, C. Adrenal gland, D. Pituitary gland. The correct answer is B. Thyroid gland. Question number 22. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Anopheles staphylococcus, leishmaniasis, Glossina palpalis, sleeping sickness, Culex pipiens or pipiens, filariasis, Aedes aegypti, dengue fever. The correct answer is A. Anopheles staphylococcus, leishmaniasis. Question number 23. The portion of incident radiation reflected back to space from the planet is called A. Atmospheric window, B. Albedo, C. Rayleigh scattering, D. Law of scattering. The correct answer is B. Albedo. 24th question. Arrange the following in order of increasing solubility. Sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate. So the correct answer is B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same order. So sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate and calcium bicarbonate. Right? So thank you very much. நம்ம இன்னொரு வீடியோவில் வந்து அடுத்த கொஸ்டின் நம்ம என்னென்னு பார்ப்போம். தேங்க்யூ.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்கள் போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.